Salutations to the one who is eloquent in English. Swami Chinmayananda has enlightened millions of people all over the world by opening the doors to Hindu spiritual literature with his English commentaries and talks.
In the mountains of the Himalayas, a young sannyasi begins his spiritual quest.
You have now mastered the Vedas. What are your plans, my son?
Attention please! There's a lecture on the Vedas by Swami Chinmayananda in English today!
A talk on the Vedas in English? Nonsense. Vedas can be appreciated only in the language of Sanskritam. Well, since it's in English, I can at least hope to make some sense of it, so I'm going.
Before I begin today, I want to ask you, what do you want the most?
Going on 14, and nothing would make me happy. We find the destiny song, it's all that would make me happiest. How say happy? How do you catch a cloud and then it down? How do you find the way to never worry? Just look inside, look inside, look inside.
Take this miracle vitamin every day so you too can be happy.
The best vitamin to be a happy person is B1. Get it?
With his animated storytelling of eye-opening talks of Vedanta in English, Gurudev enchanted many people all over the world.